When I say the word orchid, what do you picture? I bet it's something bright, colorful, maybe sitting in a sun-drenched rainforest, right? Okay, now I want you to take that image and just throw it away. Because deep in the Australian bushland, there's a botanical rebel, an absolute enigma, that lives its entire life in total darkness. We're talking about a flower that has literally never seen the sun.
It sounds like something out of science fiction, doesn't it? I mean, a plant that doesn't need sunlight. How does that even work? And if it's buried under the soil, how on earth does it reproduce? That's the whole puzzle of the Rhizanthella, the underground orchid. And today, we're going to crack it wide open.
So to really get our heads around this thing, we've got to go back to the beginning, back to the moment this plant was first stumbled upon, a discovery that baffled the scientific community for decades.
Okay, picture this. The year is 1928. A farmer, Jack Trott, is plowing his field, and his plow turns up this weird, fleshy, white thing. He has no idea what it is, so he sends it off to a botanist. And the botanist confirms the impossible. It's an orchid, but an orchid with no chlorophyll. You know, the green stuff plants use to make food from sunlight. For years, everybody thought it was just a botanical freak, a total one-off. But then, much later, other species started popping up. It turned out there was an entire family of orchids that had mastered the art of living underground.
Let's just stop and think about how wild this is for a second. This plant has no leaves to catch the sun, it has no normal roots to suck up water, it has absolutely zero chlorophyll to make its own food. Every single part of its life, from sprouting to flowering to making seeds, it all happens in the dark, under the dirt. So this brings up the most obvious and most important question: how in the world does it eat?
Well, the answer isn't about what the orchid does, but about who it hangs out with. See, this plant survives by pulling off one of the most brilliant heists in the entire plant kingdom, and it does it all with the help of a hidden network of fungal accomplices.
Now, the fancy scientific name